Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the book format on the StoryGraph using an iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the StoryGraph app on your iPhone and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are on the home screen, you are ready. Now find the book you want to update. Tap the search icon, type the book title and open the book page. Once the book page is open, tap continue reading, read or update process. This will open the reading process screen. Look for the format option, tap on it and you will see different choose option like physical book, ebook or audiobook. Tap the format you are using. After selecting the correct format, tap save. Your book format is updated and your reading status will be accurate. And that's it. That's how you change the book format on StoryGraph using an iPhone. And that's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.